OnePlus has just launched a new mid-range device, although it did it very quietly. We are talking about the OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G. OnePlus loves to put very long names on its mid-range devices for some strange reason. This device will be available in cyan, sparkle, and black satin colors. It has a thickness of 7.99 millimeters, weighs 193 grams. Its screen is 6.72 inches. With LCD technology and full HD plus resolution. Apparently, it will be a 60 Hz screen, so it confirms that it is a fairly simple device. However, the processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The battery will be 5000 mAh with support for 33 watts charging via cable. And in the photographic section, we will find a fairly simple configuration. The main camera is 50 megapixels with f1.8 aperture, but then we will find a second camera only for depth detection. So it is a camera that from my point of view is completely useless, since many other manufacturers manage to detect depth with a single camera due to the sensor technology. The front camera will be 8 megapixels with f2.0 aperture. The device will have the ability to record full HD video at 30 frames per second. It has support for NFC, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 5. It does bring gyroscope. It also brings USB-C side fingerprint reader. So it is clear that we are talking about a very simple device of the entry series, but still its price has not been revealed as this device was just officially published on its website, but has no more information about when it will be available for purchase and at what price.